Hello students, welcome back to your computer online class. So today students, we will start a new chapter, that is your chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter is Graphics in Publisher 2013. So you will get this chapter in your page number 76. Page number 76. So everyone open to your page number 76. So look at the first paragraph. You have got publisher before, is not it? In the previous chapter, I have explained you about publisher. Now in this chapter, you will get here how we can use the graphics in publisher. Okay, here in publisher, how we can use the graphics. So here, see the first paragraph. You will get this first paragraph in your page number 76. You must have noticed that most of the advertisements you come across have pictures which make them appealing. Graphics such as pictures, shapes, charts, and building blocks are used to add a visual effect to your publication. They make the document attractive and more interesting to read. So here you will get in publisher how we can use pictures, how we can use shapes. Shapes means it may be of different geometric shapes. Okay. Then again, how we can use a chart as well as building blocks in your publisher. Then you look at the second paragraph. In publisher, the options to insert pictures and various shapes are available in the illustration group on the insert tab. Now, whenever you need to insert a picture, okay, whenever you need to insert a picture or else you need to insert different sorts of geometrical shapes, okay, or if you need to insert different types of geometrical shapes, for that particular you have to go to your insert tab, okay. At the toolbar at the top you will see, where the screen is displayed at the top, you will get your insert tab. Okay, you will get this insert tab in your illustration group. Means illustration group, it means you are at the top of the toolbar. At the top of the toolbar, you will get the insert tab. Okay, when you will click with the help of your mouse in the insert tab, you will find the picture. Okay, you will find gallery of pictures. In there, go to the picture and then you go and click to the picture. You will get there different sort of images. Clear? Then students, you will come to page number 77. Move to page number 77. Here you will get how we can work with pictures in Publisher 2013. Clear? So now look at the paragraph in page number 77, the first paragraph. Working with pictures. Working with pictures. Publisher 2013 offers an easy way to add pictures to our publication. In Publisher, pictures can be inserted from two sources. The first one is your picture stored in your computer, and the second one is your Bing image search for pictures on the internet. So there are two ways for the insertion of picture in Publisher. So students, how many ways are there for the insertion of picture in Publisher? There are two ways for the insertion of pictures in Publisher. First one is your picture stored in your computer. It means whatever pictures that are stored in your folder, whatever pictures that is stored in your computer, that means in different sorts of folder, you can paste the image from there, okay, or else there is another option, Bing image search for picture on the internet. Now here when you will go for Bing image search, when there is an internet connection in your computer, if there is an internet connection in your computer, then we can go for your Bing image search. Clear students? You will need an internet connection for accessing pictures through option 2. Earlier the Officecom ClickArt search option was also provided, but that has since been removed by Microsoft. Now here the first option, that is your picture stored on your computer, the first option, that is your picture stored in your computer, you will get already in your computer, which will be stored in your folders. But for the option number 2, that is your Bing image search, for this particular option you require your internet connection. Without internet connection you can't go to the option number 2, that is your Bing image search. Clear? Then students, you will get in the next part how we can insert a picture. Okay, how we can insert a picture. You will get here few steps. Okay, you will get here few steps. You will get here all total 6 steps. So students, now you see in inserting a picture, look at the first paragraph. You would recall that you have learnt how to insert pictures from your computer in Word and PowerPoint in class 5. Let us discuss the steps to insert picture in your publication from Bing image search here. Now here, how we can insert a picture with the help of Bing image search, that is by your internet. Here you will get 6 steps. Clear? For inserting pictures by your Bing image search, you will get here 6 steps. So everyone look at the steps. Step 1. Click picture placeholder in the illustration group on the insert tab. The placeholder gets inserted at the center of the page. So here in the step 1, firstly we are going to click to the placeholder. When I am talking about a placeholder, what do you mean by placeholder? You will see whatever picture you want to insert. Okay, when you are clicking in the middle of the picture or the center of the picture, you will find in the 4 sides of the picture there are some circles. Okay, in the 4 corners of the picture you will get circle. For example, you will get this picture in figure 5.2. Have a look on this picture. Figure 5.2, have you seen? See there, the image is there, and in the 4 corners of the picture, have you seen the circle? These are known as your placeholder. Okay, these are known as your picture placeholder. Which means when you are clicking at the center, of the picture, okay, when you are clicking at the center of the picture, you will find in the 4 corners of the picture there are 4 circles, which helps us to increase or decrease the size of a picture. Clear? Step 1 is clear to everyone. Then you will move to step 2. Step 2. Click the placeholder icon to display the insert picture dialog box. Now as I have said to you, what you are going to do? You are clicking the placeholder with the help of your mouse. You are clicking the placeholder with the help of your mouse. Then step 3. Click within the Bing image search text box to place the cursor in it. Then what you are going to do? In step 3, we are going to click the Bing image search text box. Where you will get this option? You will get this option in your insert picture. Have you seen figure 5.3 in your book? See the picture of figure 5.3. In insert picture, you will get one option, that is your Bing image search. Okay. So you have to click in the Bing image search text box to place the cursor in it. Then step 4, type the search term. Let us say tiger in the box and press enter, a gallery of picture appears. Now students, in step 4, have you seen the picture of 5.3? In there, have you seen being image search? Okay. Now for example, you want the picture of a tiger. What you are going to do? In this particular box, you are going to type tiger on your keyboard. Okay, you are going to type tiger on your keyboard. Then you are going for your search option. Okay, tiger you will click in the tiger, you will type on the keyboard. Okay, after typing on the keyboard, you will give enter. Okay, you will press enter key. Where you will get enter key? You will get the enter key on the keyboard. Okay, you are going to press the enter key. Then you will find the various pictures of your tiger. Then you come to step 5. Click the picture you want to insert and click the insert button. Now you choose which particular picture you want, then you double click it. Or you go to the toolbar and click to the insert button. Then you will move to step 6. Step 6. The picture gets inserted in the publication. Then you will find that our picture gets inserted in our publication. It's ready. Notice that a new picture tab with the format tab under it appears on the ribbon. Now when your publication, inserting picture in your publication is over, you will find that more different types of picture tools appear at the down. At the down means at below in your toolbar. Okay, at below in your toolbar you will find the different sorts of picture tools. Why this picture, more picture tools are given? More picture tools are given so that if you want to modify your picture, you can go for your modification. Clear? If you want to modify the picture, you can go for your modification. Clear this much students? No doubt regarding this? So students, you will do one thing now. You will take out your computer copies. I think so everyone has taken out your computer copies. Based on my explanation, I will give you one question today. So everyone take out your computer copies. Write today's date at the top corner of your page. You are going to write in the fresh page, okay? You are going to write in the fresh page because it's your new chapter. So, you are going to write chapter number 5. At the top, you are going to write today's date at the top corner of your page. Then you will write chapter number 5. Then you will write name of the chapter, that is your graphics in Publisher 2013. Write the name of the chapter nicely by looking at your books. Graphics in Publisher 2013. Written. Then you will write question number 1. Question number 1. You will take out your page number 91. Page number 91. In page number 91, you will see descriptive type questions number A, 1A. What are the different sources from which you can insert pictures in your publication? Question mark. I am repeating the question again. Question number 1A. What are the different sources from which you can insert picture in your publication? Question mark. Now for the answer you will write the different sources from which we can insert pictures in our publication are the different sources from which we can, write we, okay, we can insert pictures in our publication. In place of your, you make it our. Publication, our. Give a hyphen. Give a hyphen. In the next line, you write Roman number 1. Roman number 1. Pictures stored on our computer. You will get this answer in your page number 77. Page number 77 that I have explained to you just now. Page number 77. You will make it Roman number 1. Pictures stored on our computer. Have you seen the paragraph of working with pictures? In there you will get pictures stored on our computer. Make it Roman number 1. Roman number 1, pictures stored on our computer. In place of your, make it our. Ant. A-N-D, ant. Ant. Roman number 2, make it Roman number 2. Bing image search. And in the next line you will write Roman number 2. Bing, B-I-N-G, Bing, B capital, image, I capital, I-M-A-G, image. Search, S-A-R-C-H, search for pictures on the internet. Written. So today, students, I have explained you how we can insert pictures, is not it? What are the two sources of inserting picture in your publication, and how we can insert a picture in your Bing image search. So what you are going to do, whatever one answer I have given you today, you are going to learn this answer as your homework. Okay, you are going to learn this answer as your homework. And whatever I have explained today, you are going through your books very nicely. Clear? No doubts? Moreover, students, the video that I am giving you, okay, you also click to the like button. Only I am finding the subscription, okay, you are only subscribing it. You also click to the like button. So students, now I am concluding my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.